हिमाचल वाली
In the thunder.
Why are you laughing?
In the thunder. Look at that, man. Wow.
Oh, you want to burp first?
Already did. Off camera.
What's up, guys? Guess where we're traveling this time? I'll give you a little bit of a hint. What's a good hint?
We've stopped over near Chandigarh. That's a hint.
That's a very big hint. You gave it away. Okay, we're going to the hills. We're basically going to two locations. We're first doing a quick pit stop in Mashobra, and then we're headed to Chel, and then back. So we stopped at this cute place.
Cute तो नहीं है.
Actually, but it's nice. It's got Nick Bakers, it's got Subway, it's got Barista, Domino's, and Haldiram. So if you're stopping, this is in Ambala. Oh, there comes a sneeze. There comes a sneeze. Pineapple.
Good morning, pineapple.
But yeah, so we made a quick stop here in Ambala. We've got about 3 more hours to go. We're gonna get some what? Chili cha! And then head. We're traveling with Mom and Dhruv.
Dhruv watching some NBA, some LeBron James. क्या score है? 91-88. Other Lake is gonna make it.
अच्छा, खराब हो जाएगी. तो घर जल्दी ऑर्डर कर देंगे.
Thank you. हिमाचल वाली. You remember it, right?
I just saw you go. Thank you. So we finally made it to the property in Mashobra. A little hat to make us feel welcome. Kriti's gone to the restroom, so we're just going to be chilling a little bit here, getting our stuff together, showing you the room, of course, along with the property. And we've also got a little welcome drink. Itni mehnat, you could have just held the glass instead, Dhruv.
I don't want to make a life heavy. मट्टी हो जाए.
मट्टी खा ले मट्टी. LeBron James की जर्सी पहनी, आज तो लेकर हार भी गई. Sorry.
स्क्रीनशॉट दियो. उसमें होता है ना कौन प्यार में.
वो screenshots लेते हैं ना Android users and Hrithik Roshan.
So after a long 8-hour journey, we have finally made it to the hotel.
Welcome Hotel by ITC Hotels,
In
Mashobra.
Mashobra, which is a little off Shimla. So Shimla is like 45 minutes from here. But this is more serene. It's very peaceful.
The views are intense. I might cry.
That intense.
They're intense. We are traveling with Dhruv and Mom. Mom might not be coming on camera because she's not comfortable, but we'll try to get as much
करके दिखाएंगे by
good
the end
content.
of the journey and the
Yes.
trip.
जरूर एक दो बारी तो लेके ही रहेंगे मॉम को फ्रेम में.
We just ordered our lunch and we're waiting for it. Order some delicious food.
We're gonna have some local cuisine, Himalayan, Pahadi cuisine, Duddu chicken.
Dadu.
So daru chicken. Take 3. Dadu chicken and some pisi piss.
And kebabs. And that's
And
it.
Dhruv is having chicken sweet corn soup.
And
Yahan
I
bhi.
will take tax.
How's your view, Dhruv? How's your soup? Sorry.
I have a beautiful view.
How's your soup?
It's actually pretty good, man. It's pretty good.
What is this?
So if you're ever planning on visiting Shimla, Mashobra, right now is actually an excellent time. We are in May, 1st of May. Best time.
We actually visited Mashobra in December as well, so 6 months ago. Biggest mistake. I mean, to each his own, but it was snowing that time and our car was almost sliding and almost felt like bas aaj khatam.
We got stuck in the snow.
We did get stuck. The car would not move, and when it would like move sideways. So it's like going into the hills,
Khai.
into the khai. There was no
Into
railing.
the valley.
So that it's a pleasant change since then.
Yes. Way more happy this way. And I hate the cold weather, so I'm very happy with the current weather. It's LA weather, as I like to call it.
I wouldn't know because someone didn't take me.
Because iska visa nahi laga.
That's not true. He just didn't put it
Why would I put your visa application?
because this is husband kind of work.
Laga dete. Anyway, on to lunch.
Let's show you.
Sorry,
Okay guys, let's give you a room tour. Little work desk, a place to lounge and really enjoy the view, which is absolutely spectacular. We've got the mountain view room. Look at that, man. Wow. The bathroom's in there, and we've got a cozy bed. Another great view on the side, overlooking the mountains there. So you can wake up to fresh sunshine and this spectacular view. And a greeting from Keshwari. You can pause the screen and check it out, read it. So Dhruv and mom are going to be in the other room, the adjoining room. There is no door connecting the two rooms, but it is connected through a common balcony. So if you're ever traveling with family, you can get two rooms side by side which connect through this balcony. Hello to the baby, enjoying the view already, enjoying the view and tired.
Lakers lost, but my hopes are not lost. Harry Potter, does it do the snake?
He's doing that because I am wearing Slytherin. How are you liking your room, Dhruv?
To be honest, it's nice, it's cute, it's cozy, it's very like homely. It's like it feels like a home away from home.
Some feet pics for all you freaks out there.
The best looking feets in town.
Tell me if you would pay money for this.
I would.
So the plan of action for the day is we're just gonna chill. Then we're gonna go for high tea in the sunset. I don't think there's gonna be a sunset though. Look outside. It's foggy and there's thunderstorm and there's lightning. But we will still do our uchicha and some fries. And then we're gonna grab some dinner and maybe cycle a little bit. I saw some bikes niche. And then we'll sleep, call it an early night. And then tomorrow we start the day with a hike.
Done.
I'll sleep.
Unfortunately, as you can probably hear, it started raining and our plans of enjoying high tea with the sunset have been on by the gods of rain.
But it's still time for
Chiricha. Uchicha? Uchicha.
yes.
Gotcha. Still time for Uchicha. Weather's still amazing.
It's chai pakoda weather.
It's chai pakoda weather. Pakoda is me. Chai is this lovely lady.
And fries.
Fries is Dhruv. Dhruv is fried. Fried to
Damn,
mom
dude,
hai.
you can hear the thunder. Wow.
Thunder is lightning.
Feel the thunder. Feel the thunder.
Feel the thunder. Feel the thunder. Nahi hota. It's thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Feel the thunder.
Why are you laughing?
Feel the thunder.
Because the confidence you had was, did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
It was supposed to be jokes.
Let there be light.
Bakshodi.
Some high tea for the French, in it.
As you can see, there is an assortment of snacks. Wah.
We got
Taj.
some pastries, some cookies, some more pastries, cucumber,
sandwiches.
cheese, sandwiches, and samosas.
But इसमें से कुछ gluten free नहीं है, so I will just look at your face and drink chai.
It is now time for high tea. I mean, we were supposed to have our high tea downstairs, but the rain gods decided to rain. It's nice, I mean, the view is nice. I'm not much of a nature person, but today I guess I am because I'm having a good time with the family, with the folks. Yeah, just waiting for my tea, man. And we continue this high tea.
It's an actual hailstorm. What the hell is going on? It's hurting me. Big boss, मुझे hurt हो रहा है. Since we had high tea, it's only fair to now do some cardio and burn off the samosas that Kriti baby ate.
Because I care about my health, I care about my fitness levels, and I cheated, so I gotta make up for it. So I can eat more samosas tomorrow. Alright, so we're done with dinner and I ate a lot and I definitely need a walk after this.
I was hoping we can just go and sleep now, lay down in bed.
You're 30 plus. You can't just eat and sleep. Our bodies don't function like that anymore. I will literally wake up at night crying in pain or I won't be able to sleep.
Umar ho gayi, Umar.
Exactly.
ठीक है, fair. We'll do a short walk before going and sleeping.
Hopefully it's not raining.
Yeah, I think that's been the problem here. It just rained all day, so we couldn't do any of the activities. We had a high tea planned, we had some
Yeah.
gun shooting, some arrow
Archery.
shooting, archery. Sorry.
Arrow shooting. Yes, we have some bullet shooting also planned. Gun shooting.
Archery. We had some archery planned.
Yes, it's okay. You're tired.
Yes,
You
I'm
drove
exhausted.
almost all of the way. But yes, we're gonna do some fun stuff tomorrow, hopefully if it doesn't rain. Otherwise, we'll just get wet in the rain and still do fun stuff. I don't care.
मैं नहीं कर सकता, मेरे को cold हो रहा है.
Fine. सोते रहना.
नहीं, I'm not going to sleep. I was thinking instead maybe you could do a podcast with these guys.
Yes, that is in the works. We can do a podcast if we're
Maybe.
in the hotel.
Yes.
Let's see.
Completely contingent plan, no idea. We're in our 30s, but पता नहीं कुछ भी हो रहा है. So we'll go
बात ही
with the
तो
flow.
करनी है. कर लेंगे. Oh, you wanna burp first?
I already did. Off camera.
Anyway, we will take a walk. Otherwise, we're not gonna eat any food tomorrow. So no food shots for tomorrow. But we'll anyway see you tomorrow, right? Right?
मैं तंग आ गया हूँ इस लेडी से यार. कोई सिखा दो इसको माइक कैसे यूज
I
करते
keep
हैं.
moving my. That's why I wear it.
Just
here.
hold it on the other hand ना, left hand से
Yes.
and right hand से बातें करो.
Okay.
Done.
Chale. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Love you.
Shona pupus.
Pupus.